Are outdated systems and unplanned downtime costing your company time and resources? Is your organization's growth being stifled by rigid operations and inflexible processes? Tired of slow, manual processes delaying your operations? From DevOps to team augmentation, support and operations, cloud solutions, and low-code development, we've got you covered at every stage of your journey. We can even build your own dedicated development hub. We've driven success for global leaders in the automotive, healthcare, and manufacturing industries by delivering tailor-made solutions that meet their unique needs. Partnering with us is seamless. You tell us your needs and we'll assign the right developers for you. We integrate with your team immediately, ensuring a smooth onboarding process. Our project management ensures everything stays on track, delivering your solution on time and on budget. Our team is equipped with the latest technologies and a diverse range of skills. From front-end to back-end development, full-stack or software architects, our experts have the knowledge and experience to tackle any challenge. What's in it for you? We are committed to exceeding expectations with a focus on quality and security. So, you can expect blending with your internal team, access to certified and skilled talent, seamless integration of senior talent, projects finished on time while meeting budget constraints. Tell us more about your project and we'll allocate the right skill set to bring your idea to life.